Yo, what it do, man? It's your boy. It's MP to the game. You got
Keezy.
Key. You got
Keezy. Yeah, you bet some of them again, didn't you? Yep.
maintain.
Keezy.
Maintain. And maintain.
Easy.
MT.
Oh, you can hold it on. Anyway.
Yeah. Right now we're about to react to some Lennar Young. Now
Lennar.
this video is from 2 years ago, so this is
Lennar.
maybe part of Throwback Thursday. Maybe. What's my motherfucking name?
Lennar.
No Leonard.
No, Lennar.
And this is his video. Future was eating good when he made this song in the studio. So let's go and watch it.
Cheese sauce, baby, I been ballin' hard, no discount. 3 cars, 6 ounces, you can't tell me shit now.
Go ahead, start. You ain't want to finish eating before we record? Sure. You sure? I'm good. How them fries?
Sensational.
Sensational.
Oh, that's my shit.
I'm so groovy.
I'm so good.
I got power.
I got power.
I'm so groovy.
I'm so good.
I got power.
I got.
That's your bitch.
That's your bitch.
I just bought it.
I just bought
Oh, that's your bitch.
it. That's your bitch.
I just bought it.
I just bought it.
Perks and money. Playing time. I just fuck the face. I don't know her name.
Hell nah.
Talking about the snow. I just back those hoes. Going crazy at the drug. I just suicide the door. Candy, yeah, I'm in the apartment. Living like me, no. I be trying to let me breathe.
Those ain't even saying words.
Crying about the codeine. Like your eyes on my wrist. You ain't never gonna see.
Why is this finger like this?
High fashion. John Madden. Bisex. No relation. Dr. J. 60K. Off the pound.
Hell nah. Man, a full course meal on record.
Hard to kill. Suck the guards. Hide the broad. Photoshop. Unphotogenic. I just bit the bit. Get the keep turn. Duck, duck. Serve rocks. Made it to the top of her. Fuck going pop. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. That's your bitch. I just bought it. Oh, that's your bitch. I just bought it. Perks and money. Playing time. I just fuck the face. I don't know her name.
Yo, Future was just. I believe Future was just like this.
Nah. He was eating. He was eating.
Like this. Just like this.
Eating a full course meal on board.
Wendy's fries.
The one I hit smacking. The one I hit smacking right recording. I'll record the verses first.
Yeah.
Hey, let's record me while I'm eating. The for real, yeah, it's good. I'm seeing how it sounds.
Yeah. Let me go. Dessert. I like cheesecake.
Chica.
Shut up.
You know, Shaq doesn't go up, but when it does go up, that like button, it does go up in numbers. So I need you to hit that
Guess
and get this video. How many likes? How many likes you want on this video?
You tell her.
How many likes you want on this video?
I don't know. 100.
Give me 10 likes on this video.
10.
10 likes.
Multiply it by 10. Yeah, I want 100. This listens go up. The subscriber count. You guys 13K. Let's go up a little bit more.
So click that subscribe button.
Just like a
Well, no, else can go around. What can go up?
My blood
around?
pressure.
No. Share button. Because they can share it around to their friends.
Share it around the world.
Yeah.
Put it on Twitter, Facebook,
Instagram,
Snapchat,
Tumblr,
Tinder,
TikTok.
on any other dating sites, you know. Hey,
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
You watch ABC The Game? Yeah, I go on a date with you. See that shit? I can see that right there. See, share our channel, you go on a date with somebody.
Yeah, I swear.
See, there you go.
We matchmakers. Oh yeah, don't forget to ring that bell, ring that bell, ring a ding a ding, ring a ding a ding. Ring that post notification bell. That way you can get every post whenever we post. See y'all in the next video. Go check out the Patreon. It's down there in the description below.
Add me on PlayStation.